So good morning, Indu. Good morning, Shri. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. Right? Okay. So let us start, guys. Let us start. Anna. Okay. I hope all of you, yes, all of you have gone through this, right? These problems. Okay. So हम लोग good morning, Leela. Good morning, Ritika. So we have covered till question number 80, I guess, right? हम लोगों ने fill in the blanks and all सब कुछ कर लिया था, है ना? Right? I guess उसमें कोई दिक्कत नहीं होगा. Concept clear हो गया होगा. So we will start with subjective. We will discuss all the subjective problems. ठीक है? Right? Because fill in the blanks and true or false were comparatively easy. है ना? Right? Good morning, Kartikeya. Okay? So
Today we will play Kahoot.
we will see, right? We might play Kahoot, right? We will see. Okay. Right?
Sir, I have doubt in 109, sir.
Yes, yes. So if we can complete before, then we will play Kahoot. Okay. So let us start with 102. I guess 102, 105 tak everything is easy, right?
Sir, I have doubt in 110.
Then
110.
110, right? See, 109 काफी easy है. 109 तक हो गया होगा, है ना? Successor, predecessor, all of you know, right? So 110 तक हो गया होगा. चलो, 110 देखो. Now everyone, why 110? 110 is application based, right? Okay. See, when you talk about number system, when you talk about maths, right? है ना? So it is used in physics, in chemistry, right? It is used everywhere. Maths is used everywhere. ठीक है? Maths is used in your coding also, in commerce also, in economics also, right? Maths is used actually everywhere. ठीक है? Right? So this is one such application. So this is the application of maths, very basic in chemistry. Because see, when you talk about any subject, right? You have to count. No, you have to count. You have to do something, right? So let us see. So first of all, it explains about the charges, right? Atom, है ना? So the question, first of all, try to understand what is given, right? Information is given over here. An atom consists of charged particles, right? Okay. Anshita, yes, but listen to me first, right? An atom consists of charged particles called electrons and protons. Okay, sir, electrons and protons होते हैं, electrons and protons होते हैं. Atom के पास protons have charge of +1. Protons के पास charge होता है +1 का. Electrons के पास charge होता है -1 का. Right? Yes or no? This is information. Try to deduce the information. Okay. Whenever question is given.
Neutrons also, sir, no?
Yeah. But in this case, right? Okay. We're talking about just protons and electrons, right? Obviously, we're not talking chemistry and we're talking about maths, right? Whatever is given in problem, we will be talking about this. Okay. Ayush, you can submit. Wait, I'll tell you, right? Ayush, first focus over here. Remember, the number of electron is equal to number of proton, right? So usually number of electron is equal to number of proton, right? So number of electron is equal to number of proton. Number of electron is equal to number of proton, usually. What will be the charge in atom? Tell me. Suppose if we have 10 electron and 10 proton, what would be the charge? Tell me, everyone, step by step. See, you will only tell me the answer. Very good.
Sir, 0.
0, correct? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Because sir, 10 electron having -1 charge, so it will be -10 charge, and 10 electron having +1 charge, +10 charge. But atom consists of both electron and proton, so you will add them, you will get 0. Clear hai? So I can say every atom is neutral, right? Unless and until electron transfer, it is neutral. Yes or no? Right? Ayana, clear hai? Okay. Now, who solved it? You guys only. Second, what would be the charge of an atom if it loses an electron? अब बताओ, अभी 10 minus था और 10 plus था. Lose कर गया एक इलेक्ट्रॉन, मतलब एक इलेक्ट्रॉन चला गया. So if electron चला गया तो कितना हो जाएगा? -9 हो जाएगा ना? हाँ या ना? Tell me.
Plus 9.
तो क्या हो जाएगा? -9 हो जाएगा. और ये क्या रहेगा? ये +10 रहेगा. Now tell me, what would be the charge?
Sir,
+1.
+1.
Yes, clear.
proton will be
That's clear here, everyone. When it loses electron, electron is decreased, right? Okay. Now, see, what would be the charge of the atom if it gains an electron? Now, abhi +, -10, -10 plus. Abhi gain कर लिया, so it is -11 now. and this is plus 10 only. So what
Minus
will happen?
1. Minus
Minus
1.
right? Minus 1. Clear here. So I can say in general that if atom gains electron, the charge will be negative, right? Negative charge hota hai, electron extra hota hai. Okay, right? Very good, very good. ठीक है, चलो अभी 111 बन जाएगा. Tell me, 111 बन जाएगा, हाँ या ना?
Yes, sir. 111 is easy.
है ना? So see, आयन का चार्ज -1 है, प्रोटॉन +9 है, तो it should be -10, हाँ या ना? Step by
Yes,
step,
Yes.
right?
minus 10.
सोडियम यहाँ पे +11 है, इलेक्ट्रॉन
Minus 10. Minus
माइनस. यहाँ पे देखो, एल्यूमिनियम प्रोटॉन +30.
3.
plus 3. Plus
Sir.
3.
Plus 3.
Plus 3.
Right, very good, right? Very good, guys. +3 है ना?
Plus
यहाँ
3.
Minus 2.
minus 2.
minus-
Minus 2.
Minus 2.
ठीक है, डन, राइट? समझ में आ गया, है ना? चलो, समझ में आ गया अच्छे से, राइट? ओके, ना नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. So let us see 112. ठीक है, 112 देखते हैं. So these are the application based, right? See, there it is, social study application, right? पहले क्या था, chemistry application. Pragna, I will tell you, Pragna. I tell everyone, right? You will get a form, right? You will get a form, admission form on Monday. In that, everything will be written. ठीक है? First focus here, na? So this is application based, and the application is of social science. Now, let us. How many of you solved it? Raise your hand. Okay, so see, there are some students who solved it. Okay, very good. So let us try to understand this, right? Let us try to understand this, है ना? So it is given that 1 BC, I'll consider 1 BC as -1. I will consider 1 BC as -1 and 1 AD as +1, है ना? Right? So BC is before Christ and AD is endodemic, right? So this is something that we know. Okay. Now, first of all, make a timeline. Best thing is make a timeline, right? I will make a timeline like this. Okay, this is a timeline. This is my timeline. Okay, this is a timeline. Okay. So remembering that 180 came immediately after 1 BC. Okay. So 1 BC, this is 0. This is 0, right? So इससे पहले क्या हो जाएगा? 1 BC. Right? So this is 180. It is given that size. This is 180, right? It is given that 180 came immediately after 1 BC. Okay, right? So 1 BC is -1, 180 is +1. I will consider 1 BC is -1, 180 is +1. Okay. Okay. Now, let us think. So Greco-Roman era, when the Greece and Rome ruled Egypt, started in year 330 BC. So 330 BC मतलब क्या हो गया? -330 Mayana. Right? 332 ended in 395. So it ended in 395. Right? Plus 395. So what is the difference? Tell me. What's the difference? Tell me. What's the difference? No, son. No. It is negative से positive आ रहा है. So difference is always final minus initial. So 395 minus -330. हाँ या ना? That is the concept, right? है ना? Tell me. Ayush, explain everyone, Ayush.
Sir, it's minus 60. Sorry, plus 65. Sir, 65.
65.
Sir, 65.
Sir, minus 65.
It is 330 in BC.
Plus
Right? So it is 330 BC and कितना है? 395 AD. So this is 395 AD. So what's the difference between this? This is 330 years, right? And this is 395 years. What's the difference? What is the difference? Very good. 75.
65.
Minus 75.
No, plus now. Minus plus. Difference is always plus, right? 330. So it is what?
725 years.
ठीक है, 725 years. Clear है? Yes or no? Everyone got this? हाँ है ना? Because it is always final initial. अंशिका इट इज माइनस ना अंशिका 395 माइनस ऑफ माइनस 395 लॉजिकली सोचो एक बार ठीक है सब कोई लॉजिकली सोचेगा एडी ऑलरेडी माइनस है ना तो अगर तुम्हारे पास सुबह में 10 रुपए है शाम में 50 रुपीज है बताओ कितना का चेंज कितना हुआ व्हाट इज द चेंज टेल मी व्हाट इज द चेंज
40 rupees.
what you did 50 minus 10 na you did 50 minus 10 yes or no that is what you did right pragna focus here pragna focus बहुत basic concept है ये किया तुमने ना final minus initial yes or no that you do final minus initial right you always now tell me in this case what is final क्या है tell me final कितना है तुम खुद सोचो राइट इसलिए बोले ना तुम थोड़ा सा कॉन्सेप्ट लगाओ दिमाग लगाओ कॉमन सेंस यूज करो ये 0 है ना एक चीज बताओ तुम देखते हैं कितने लोग ये 0 है ये मान लो 4 है ये मान लो -5 है -3 है दोनों के बीच का डिस्टेंस कितना है व्हाट इज द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन दीस
7.
हाउ 7 थिंक अबाउट इट ना सर इट इज व्हाट 4 minus of -3 ना
Yes, sir.
राइट ये 4 यूनिट ये 3 यूनिट तो कितना हो गया 7 यूनिट हो गया that's common
-3 and plus 4.
समझ में आया सबको समझ में आया
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
So ये 0 से -330 BC जा रहा है तो 330 BC से 180 में आने के लिए 330 इयर्स चाहिए फिर 395 इयर्स फिर AD में आ रहा है so टोटल इयर्स कितने होंगे 330 राइट और 95 टोटल कितने हो जाएंगे
725.
right initial is -3
725.
it is 7 and 25 years अब समझ में आया explain once again आई समझ में आया right
Yes, sir.
remember the concept change it is about the change is always prime minus now second everyone see question of second ठीक है so second is Bhaskacharya right Bhaskacharya was born in 114 AD right think about it Bhaskacharya was born in 114 AD ठीक है right and died in year 1114 AD and 1185 AD so see this is 1114 and this is 1185 now tell me what is the difference here tell me what is the difference दोनों positive है ना
71 years.
71 years.
exactly
71 years.
minus initial easy final minus initial always final minus initial that is 71 years yes or no easy है second वाला yes,
Yes, sir.
correct
Yes,
always
sir.
final minus initial. third right Turks ruled Egypt in 1517 AD so AD है इसलिए पॉजिटिव में लिख रहा है ना and died in the year and Queen Nefertis ruled Egypt about for 2900 years so this duration is 2900 right ठीक है right sorry not this duration जिससे पहले ना right so it is said that Queen Nefertis ruled about 2900 years before Turks ruled so before इससे पहले 2900 years इससे पहले 2900 years right
Sir,
in what year
1383.
right
1383.
it is what see again 1517 right minus 2900 है ना minus 2900 tell me कितना हो जाएगा because it is in AD and इससे पहले क्या हुआ है right
1383.
so I guess you guys can call right
1383 BC.
138.
Sir, or it can be -1383 AD.
it is minus 1383 right minus 1383 right or 1383
Minus
BC
1383.
right 1383 BC BC का मतलब -1 हो गया हाँ या ना tell me हाँ या ना everyone got it everyone got this 1383 BC right because it is before ना before ठीक है done everyone
Sir, we can write minus 1383 BC.
No, no, again, when you're writing minus 183 BC, na, you are writing minus 2 times because BC का मतलब ही हो गया negative, है ना? BC का मतलब negative. Got it?
Okay, sir.
1383 BC or just minus 1383, right? It is better to write 1383 BC. ठीक है, चलो next. D, अब देखो D, everyone D. ठीक है, ध्यान दो. Greek mathematician Archimedes lived between 287 BC. So 287 BC मतलब कितना हो गया? Minus 287. 287 years minus 287 years, है ना?
Yes, sir.
Right? Yes, Ayush, correct. Right, and 220 212 BC, 212 BC. So minus 122. ठीक है. And Aristotle lives between 380 BC. 380 BC. So it is minus 380. Right, and 322 BC. Minus 322. Who lived during an earlier period? Tell me. कौन पहले रहा? Easy है ना? कौन
Archive. Aristotle.
Sir,
Aristotle.
Aristotle.
Sir, Aristotle.
Aristotle से पहले minus 380 BC में जन्म लिया, right? और Archimedes minus 287 BC में, sorry, minus 280 year, right? 280 BC में जन्म लिया. तो कौन पहले जन्म लिया?
Sir, Aristotle.
Aristotle.
Sir, Archimedes.
Aristotle.
Sir,
Aristotle.
Aristotle.
Sir, yes, he born in, tell me, 287 BC. 287 BC. Right? 287 BC से पहले आता है 380 BC. Yes or no? 287 minus negative में है, समझो negative में है. तो 287 से पहले आएगा ना? Yes or no? Yes or no? Tell me. हाँ या ना? Everyone think.
Sir.
Everyone clear? Everyone clear? Right? Very good. ठीक है. So this is done. है ना? This is done. See, these are the application based. Okay, now 113 is easy. 113, right? 113 हो गया होगा ना? 113 easy है. Right?
Yes, sir. We have to arrange them in.
Very good. 114 में doubt था. Let us see 114. Write a pair of integers. Write a pair of integers whose product is 112, and there lie 7 integers between them. Now you have to think common sense. Sir, first of all, find all the prime factors of minus 12. First, all the prime factors of minus 12, all the factors of minus 12, right? So it is what? Minus 6 into 2, right? Minus 2 into 6, minus 4 into 3, minus 3 into 4, right? Or minus 12 into 1 or 12 into minus 1. Now, think about it. 7 digits should be there. Now, 7 digits. Okay, 7 digits should be there. Think about it. Now, if you talk about the 7 digits, right? I can say, sir, let us make a number line first. Let us make a number line first. Okay. Now tell me, if you talk about 6 and 2, so if you talk about 2 and minus 6, what is the difference? Tell me. What is the difference?
7.
Sir, 7.
No, what is the difference? What is the difference?
4. 4. Sir,
4.
4.
2 minus 6. 2 minus 6, right? No. How come 4? So 2 unit
Sir,
idhar ho
it will
gaya.
be 8. Sir, it will be 8. Sir, it will be 8.
Sir.
Haan, tell me. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Now,
There should be 7 integers between them, no, sir?
Sir, excluding these given integers, it will be 7.
Voice is not audible, sir.
not audible. I'm audible.
Audible, sir.
Your voice is breaking.
How many integers are there? How many integers are there? So minus 4, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Don't you think 7 integers? Ayana, because it is
Yes,
excluding the given number. Right?
Sir, minus 3 into 4.
So again, if you take,
into 4, sir.
let us take minus 3 into 4. See again.
Sir, it will be wrong.
It will be wrong. Why, sir? Because if you are taking, right? See, let us make it as 0, right? -1, -2, -3, and it is 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, how many numbers are between them? Between them.
Sir,
See,
only 6. One is missing.
only
Bus.
Sir, 6.
ठीक है, right? Yes, Kinera, we will be playing Kahoot. Don't worry, right? ठीक है, done. समझ में आ गया ये, है ना?
Yes.
ठीक है, so 115 बन जाएगा, right? Now 116 also same. 116 is also same. यहाँ पे sum नहीं, यहाँ पे difference हो गया, ठीक है, right? Okay, now 100,
116.
116, 116. Let us,
Sir, the answer is coming wrong, sir.
we will check. We will check. First of all, product is -36, -36, and difference is okay, right?
There are some disturbance.
Yeah, just muting everyone. Guys, please mute yourself, right? When you're not speaking, now mute yourself. Okay? Okay, just speak and mute, right? So see, first of all, start with the factors of 36. So 36 the factors kya ho jayega? Tell me. Think about it. Think about it. So 36 factor is
Sir, 1 into
3
30.
into 12, 6 into 6.
18, 2 times 9.
9, 12, 2, 3, 3,
And 3 ones.
4, 9.
So it is 2 into 18. Think about 2 into 18. 9 into 4 minus, right? Because it is negative now. Ayana, right? Okay, right? Minus 12 into 3. Okay, right? Now,
Minus 12 into 3.
difference is 15, not the number. Difference is 15. Simple, sir. If we take 3 and -12, 3 minus of -12, what we will get? Tell me. 3 minus of -12, what we will get? All 12 minus of -3. What will 15? 15. So the numbers are either 3 comma -12 or 12 comma -3. Yes or no? Don't you think? Don't you think?
Yes, sir.
Okay, done. Done, everyone. Done.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Chalo. Next is now see 18. 18 is your, see, this is right from economics, right? And this question is from economics, right? Commercial math, है ना? Now this is very easy. This is just very easy. So this is basically your, right, transaction sheet. It is called as transaction sheet, है ना? Right? The payment is called as debit, right? It is called as debit, and deposit is called as credit. Okay, right? So I guess all of you can solve this. All of you can solve this. Hi, Anna. Easier? 180 easier? Okay. Chalo, next.
We have to add the payment or deposit, sir.
See here. Here
Sir, deposit.
you have to see everything, right? You have 500 in your saving. Initially it was 500 plus. Credit is always plus. Credit is always plus. Debit is always minus. Right? So this is the beginning of month. Now, Jal board has deposited, Jal board deposit, right? है ना? ठीक है. Jal board payment is this 120 minus 120. Then deposit 200 plus 200. Right? Then LIC India payment, which is debit, is 240. Negative. Debit is निकाल देना. Debit पास निकाल लेना. Credit मतलब डालना. Deposit मतलब credit plus 150. Now, you cannot add or subtract these? I guess all of you can add or subtract.
Yes, sir.
No, Anshita. See, credit is 200 plus 150 plus 500. It will be what? Credit total is plus, tell me, 800.
350.
Rupees.
850 rupees.
890, not. Sorry, 850. Sorry, 850. My bad. 850 rupees, right?
120.
Right? 850 rupees. Yes or no? 200 plus 150, 350 plus 500, 850. And debit is 120
Minus
and
120.
no, minus 120 minus 240. So minus 360.
490 rupees 490.
Ayana, plus 490. So how much amount is remaining? 490 rupees will be remaining here, right? We will discuss, right? We will discuss in economics now. We will see lots of things, lots and lots of interesting things, right? Don't worry. In economics class, we will study lots and lots of interesting things, right? Anna, okay. This week we couldn't have because of today's session, but from next week onwards, we'll be very strict, right? Okay. Don't worry. I will keep one extra compensatory class, right? After this, for economics. Now, question number 19. 19 easy.
Yes, sir.
Yes, 19.
Sir, in this the J question I'm not getting.
19 ka which one? Just message. Just 19 ka easy, I guess.
Sir, 19 ka J, sir. 19 ka J.
J. So write two integers so that one is smaller than minus 11, one is smaller than minus 11, another is greater than minus 11, but the difference is minus 11. Easy, easy, बहुत easy. One is smaller than minus 11, right? So क्या होगा? Minus 11 is smaller क्या होगा? Tell me.
Minus 21.
minus 21,
One is greater than
minus 12.
Sir,
11.
minus 21 and minus 10.
The difference is
Yes, sir. minus 12 and minus 10.
ठीक है, Dhanashree, right? Please watch the videos, Dhanashree. Please watch the video. Okay, right, Dhanashree? I've already explained it many times. ना एक बार video में भेज दूँगा because anyways I will be explaining same thing in video, right? Same thing ना. I will send the video. Please watch it. Okay, right? Okay. So I guess this is clear, sir. The difference is minus 11. Now think about it, everyone. Think about it. Think about it. X minus y is equal to minus 11. ये बोला है. Think about it, everyone. कैसे मैं solve कर रहा हूँ? So x minus y is minus 11, right? Now x is any number less than minus 11 and y is any number greater than minus 11. So x को मैं मान रहा हूँ minus 12. X को मैं मान रहा हूँ minus 12, right? Think about it. ये x को minus 12 मान दिया because it is smaller than minus 11. You can take any number, right? Any number. I think I have uploaded. I didn't upload. Yeah, I'll just think and I'll just look and I'll upload. Now I will transpose this. I'll make this side and I'll take y this side. Okay. So it will be what? When we transpose, the sign becomes opposite. So minus will become plus 11, and this also minus will become plus y. So tell me y is equal to what? Minus 2. Ayana, tell me. Sorry, minus 1, not minus 2, minus 1. Clear here?
Yes, sir.
So if one number is minus 2, the other number is
minus 21 minus 10 also. No, sir.
yes, so minus 21, minus 9. Any number, tell me any number. Any number.
Sir, minus 10.
It will be minus
Sir?
10.
Excuse me, sir.
5, yes, it can be.
Sir?
Any number. Okay? Chalo, yes?
Sir, in this sum, can we subtract greater number from lesser number? Like we did in that minus 12 minus of minus 1.
Yes, because the difference is minus, no, difference is negative. So obviously you have to subtract greater number with the smaller number. That's why it is negative, na?
Okay, sir.
Okay, next. So I guess everyone got this. Chalo, let us see question number 122. How many we can solve 122?
Sir, it's very...
Tell me.
Sir, it's easy.
See? Pragna, wait, Pragna, I'll tell you, don't worry, I'll explain at the end of the class. Okay, Pragna? Right, I'll explain. I'll just ask you to note it down, right? But first, let the class done, okay? So 122, anyone have any doubt in 122? So see, again, negative means below, positive means above, okay? Right? Very good, Ananya, I'll just explain that also. Let us see. So sea level is 0. Sea level is 0. Remember everything. Sir, here sea level is 0, right? This is sea level. This is sea level. Okay. A is at minus 80. A is at minus 180. This is minus 180. A. Right? C is minus 55. Okay. B is 1,600. B is 1,600. And D is 3,200. Now tell me which point is closest to sea level. Tell me which point is closest to sea level.
So minus 55.
minus
Plus
minus 55.
I can assert C
Sir,
is closest.
Sir, location C.
location C.
Yes, correct. And
Location
which is farthest? Which is the farthest?
Sir, location
Sir,
D.
location D.
Sir, location D.
3200.
ठीक है चलो okay very good. So let us see, right? Let us see. Answer देखते हैं. Which location is closest? C. Which is
C.
farthest? D.
D.
Arrange the least to greatest. We can do that, right? चलो.
Minus 180, minus 55.
Yes. Correct.
Sir,
और इसमें
sir, location C, A, B, D.
yes. So the next is see 127. See,
Sir,
I'm telling you
127.
127. Yes. Right. I'm telling you I will give the test from these only. Right. I will give the test from these only. Okay. 50% of the questions will be from these only. I've already told you this. Right. Yes or no? Ayana.
Yes.
Okay. I'll explain 126 also. Right. Let us see 126 first. So 126 is based on right common sense. Right. Anna. So operations are defined. Operations are defined. A delta B is this. You just have to put the
What
this.
is the answer of that, sir?
Wait. Right, 126. Wait, let me
123.
complete. 123.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me complete
Sir,
126.
can you explain 123?
Okay, so let me complete 126 first. So here A and B, delta A, delta B means this operation means put the value of A and B, right? Put the value of A and B. So first, let us see what is A. In first, what is A? Tell me, यहाँ पे A कितना है? In this question, what is A?
4 plus 4.
What is B? B कितना है?
Minus 3.
Minus. Very good. Now put in this, put in this term, right? Put in this. Okay, everyone put in this. So it will be what? 4 into minus 3, A into B, minus 2 into A into B, 2 into 4 into minus 3, plus B into B.
Sir, what is the meaning of delta?
Delta is just an operator, no? Delta is just a hypothetical operator. Hypothetical operator है वो, ठीक है? एक hypothetical operator है, ठीक है?
Okay,
Right?
sir.
So it is minus 3
Star means
into minus 3, right? Then minus A into B, minus into, sorry, this is multiplied only, multiplied only, right? So into minus of A, minus of 4, right? Minus of A, which minus
minus
of 4
4.
into minus 3, ठीक है? Plus minus 3 into minus 3. Now, can you not solve it? Multiply तो करना है सर, हाँ या ना? आप समझ में आ गया सबको?
Sir,
Everyone got-
129.
Okay. Yes, you just solve it and tell me what is the answer. Okay? Okay. Chalo. Got it, everyone? 126. Got it? 127.
Yes.
127.
So the value of trans. Sir, 129, no, sir.
We will see, right? Let us see. 4 into
Someone asked 123 also.
4 into minus 3 minus 12. Then 4 into minus 3 minus 12 into minus 2 plus 24. Plus 24. Now minus 3 into minus 3 minus 3 9 into minus 4 into minus 3 minus 4 into minus 3 is plus 12.
Sir, there
Right?
will be minus 24, sir.
What?
Sir, there will be minus 24, no, sir.
तो है ना यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी एक माइनस है ना तो माइनस माइनस क्या हो जाएगा समझ में आया
Plus.
so it will be what tell me right I guess minus 12 plus 24 plus 12 plus 9 into 12 plus 9 so I guess all of you understood 120 plus 9 which is 129 ठीक है got it everyone got this हाँ या ना
Yes, sir.
चलो 127 U, V, W and X represents the integer where U is minus 4, X does not equal to 1. By following equation, find each of the values. Now think about it. U into V is equal to U. Common sense, sir. U minus 4 है. So minus 4 into V is equal to minus 4. So V कितना होगा? Sir, V is equal to 1. हाँ या ना? Simple. Yes or no? Tell me yes or no. Right? V is equal to 1. Clear हो गया सबको? V is equal to 1. Anyone have any doubt in this? Sir, V1 आ गया. V1 आ गया. अब चलो. किसी को दिक्कत है यहाँ तक में?
No.
Okay. Now V got V. V got V. V निकल गया मेरा. V got निकल गया. ठीक है? Now X into W is equal to W. इससे देखेंगे. Sir, we know that any number, if any number is multiplied by some number, right? If you get the same number, then X is also 1. Hi Anna, X is also 1. Yes or no? Tell me. Hi Anna. Because X is your multiplicative identity. X is your multiplicative identity.
Sir, but in the question it is written that X is not equal to 1.
Right? So if X is not equal to 1, right? Now, again, this should be 1. But if X is not equal to 1, then W is equal to 0. Hi Anna, that's the only case. Agree? Tell me, hi Anna.
Yes, sir.
Right? Yes. Anna. Agree? Anyone have any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, because if it is not equal to 1, then
No,
W.
sir.
So V nikal gaya. V is equal to 1. W is equal to 0. Now, and so we know U plus X, U given here. So U is what? So U is minus 4 plus
Minus
X is equal to 0. So what's X? Plus 4.
plus
Anna.
4.
Got it, everyone? Everyone got this? It was a common
Yes.
sense use. It was a common sense use.
Yes,
or
sir.
no?
Yes,
ठीक है?
sir.
Yes.
Very good. So 123 देखते हैं. Your angle length of 380 meter. Again, it is same as the previous one, right? 120. Okay, wait. Okay, everyone, please pay attention. Everyone, please pay attention. Right? This is right. अब देखो. You are at the elevation of 380 meter above the sea level. 380 meter above the sea level. So suppose this is your sea level. This is your sea level, right? This is your sea level. This is point O. Sea level O है ना? You are 380 meter above. So this is your 380. This is your initial point, right? So this is A1, initial point A1, 380. Okay, अब ध्यान दो. Question पढ़ेंगे हम लोग फिर सोचेंगे, right? During the ride, your elevation changes by the following meters, right? During the ride, your elevation changes by following meter. So क्या हो गया? 540 meter. So elevation changes, right? इसके बाद हो गया 540. Initially it was 380, then it was 540. So this is A2, 540. Okay, right? Then minus 260. Okay, right? Now tell me, am I doing it correct? Am I doing it correct?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Again, read the question. Elevation changes by, right? Changes by. समझ में आया? Right? Changes by. Okay, you have to think. Sir, if it is changes, which means what? Which means what? Sir, it is 380. Now it is changed by 540. Means 540 increase हो गया. 540 increase होने के बाद कितना हो जाएगा? Tell me. 540 increase होने के बाद कितना हो जाएगा? Tell me.
Sir,
380
920.
920, sir.
920, sir.
Yes. It is 920. Very good. A2 is 920. ठीक है? समझ में आ रहा है? Everyone is getting it. Changes by, है ना? Because अगर changes by नहीं देता तो answer ही बहुत easy होता. Because अगर change नहीं लेंगे तो this is the final ना. If we will not take the change, then the final will be this. But it is not the question. Question is it changes. So this is A2, which is 920. Now, then minus 126. अब इसके बाद minus 126 हो गया. So 920 minus 126 कितना हो गया? Sorry, minus 920 minus 268.
652.
So this I will just do it, right? I will just do it. So, initial 380. Initial is 380. इसमें से plus क्या हुआ? Step by step. Everyone. I'll just do it. So initial is 380. So plus हुआ 540 plus 540 minus 268 plus 160 minus 152 plus 490 minus 844 plus 94. This you have to find. Yes or no? Tell me. हाँ या ना? बस यही find करना है. Agree?
Yes,
Tell me yes or no.
Sir, between 116 and 152, sir, we will write plus minus 152, no?
Again, right? It is minus 152 लिखा हुआ है ना already. जैसे से change वैसे बस लिख रहे हैं ना, right? ऊपर जा रहे तो positive लिख रहे हैं, negative तो negative लिख रहे हैं. Already minus 152 मतलब include के लिए नीचे जा रहा है. ठीक है? You don't have to write times because if you write 2 times, it means you are adding it. ठीक है? Right? It is already written minus 1. ठीक है? चलो solve कर लोगे, हो जाएगा. Done?
Yes.
Okay? चलो next.
Yes, sir.
Next 129. Everyone 129 star mark. This is a very important formula. ठीक है? Right? So this is the conversion. You can note down in your notebook, right? So if you convert scales, right? If you convert, see, when you talk about temperature, है ना? When you talk about temperature, wait, Canada, wait somewhere, right? Wait, let me complete this first, है ना? So if you want to convert degree centigrade, Kelvin and Fahrenheit, we have 3 units. One point is lowest point is your freezing point, highest point is boiling point. Hi Anna, you know this? Lowest point is your freezing point, highest point is your boiling point. Okay? Right? So we know that, sir, in degree centigrade, freezing point is equal to what? Tell me. In degree centigrade, freezing point is how much? 0 degree centigrade, yes or no? And boiling point is 100. Agree. Right? Now in this Kelvin scale, it is 273 and 373. And in Fahrenheit scale, it is 32 and 212. ठीक है, ये होता है, ये ध्यान दो, ये नोट कर लो ये. Everyone should note it down in your notebook. ठीक है? Right? Note it, everyone. Everyone can note it down. है ना?
sir, can you tell again?
So see, this is this scale, right? When you talk about scale, temperature scale, na, temperature can be measured in degree centigrade, Kelvin. This is Kelvin, and F is Fahrenheit. Right? लिखा हुआ है यहाँ पे, है ना? It is written over here, right? It is written over here, है ना? Fahrenheit.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है? So when you have to convert one unit into other, when you have to convert degree centigrade into Kelvin to Fahrenheit, there's a formula. Remember this formula. Everyone, think about it. The formula is something like this: degree centigrade minus, what's the lower limit? What's the freezing point of degree centigrade? Tell me. Freezing point. It is all like freezing point divided by boiling point minus freezing point. This is for degree centigrade. Kelvin minus its freezing point divided by boiling point minus freezing point. Fahrenheit minus freezing point by boiling point minus freezing point. This is the formula. Now let us see. For degree centigrade, what is the freezing point? Tell me. For degree centigrade, what is the freezing point? 100. Sorry, 0. By what is the boiling point minus freezing point? Tell me. What is the boiling point? Freezing point? 100.
100.
Clear here? Everyone is getting this?
Yes,
Right?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
For Kelvin. Right, everyone, for Kelvin, think about it. Kelvin minus, what is the freezing point of Kelvin? What is the freezing point of Kelvin?
23 degrees.
270.
73.
273 degrees.
73 degree.
What is boiling point minus point?
773 degrees.
Boiling point minus
373.
373 minus 273. It will be how much?
Sir, 100.
100. Very good.
Sir, 100.
Sir, 100 it will be.
Yes. What about Fahrenheit? What is Fahrenheit freezing
Sir,
point?
32.
Right. What is the
By-
difference? 12 minus 32.
Minus 32.
So it will be 180. High and it will be 180. Clear here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Note karo. Everyone note this. Everyone note this.
Okay, sir.
ठीक है? Everyone should note it down. नोट कर लिया? Have you noted it down?
Sir.
Okay, very good, right? Now let us see. अब देखो ये फॉर्मूला कहाँ से आया? Now ये फॉर्मूला कहाँ से आया? So we have to find degree centigrade and Fahrenheit. So can I say, so it is C minus 0 by 100 is equal to F minus 32 180. Yes or no? बस इन दोनों को मैंने equate किया because I want to find the relationship between degree centigrade and Fahrenheit. So can I cross multiply? So 100 इधर चला गया, will be 100 by 180 into F minus 32. So what is 100 by 180? Tell me, what is 100 by 180?
5 by
9 by 5.
5 by 9, sir.
Very good. 5 by 9. 20 से गया ये 5 times. 20 से गया ये 9 times. आगे ये फॉर्मूला आ गया. Tell me, हाँ या ना?
5 divided by 9 minus 32.
Very good. Very good. Right? So now you understood how we got this formula.
yes.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now, if I ask you, right? Okay, if I ask you that how to get relationship between degree centigrade and Kelvin, so don't you think that will be C minus C by 100 is equal to K minus 273 by 100, right? Anna? So 100 will get cancelled. 100 will get cancelled. It will be what? C is equal to
K minus 273.
K minus
minus 273.
273. Very good, Anshita, right? 273. Easy है. I hope all of you can convert. ठीक है, चलो. Now, I guess all of you can solve it now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Just have to put the okay. Now, these questions are good, right? These questions are good, right? 135 तक, 136 तक ही करना है. So बता 136 तक में कोई doubt? 136 तक में कोई doubt?
Sir. Sir, 134.
134. Okay, 134. Everyone think about it. 134. A multi-story building. Think about it, everyone. I'm telling you, I will give questions from these, right? I will give questions from these. If you doubt, ask. If you doubt, ask. A multi-story building has 25 floors above the ground level. Okay, so I will make it like this. Suppose this is your building. Okay. Right, this is a ground level, right? Everyone think about it. This is a ground level, this is a ground level, this is ground level. है ना? 25 floors above the ground level, 25 floors, right? 25 floors. ठीक है, right? है ना? Each of height 50 meters. ये total height कितना हो जाएगा? Each height 5 meters. Total height कितना होगा? What is the total height?
125 meters.
125 ना? 125 meters. 125 is 125. Ayana. Right? It has also 3 floors in the basement. 3 नीचे है, 3 floor नीचे है. तो इसका नीचे depth कितना होगा? What is the depth? Tell me. What is the
15
depth?
meters. The 15 meters.
Minus 15 meters.
Minus 15, right? Minus 15. तो नीचे है तो 15 है ना? 15 नीचे मतलब minus 15. ठीक है?
Sir.
Right? Okay. Now, a lift in the building moves at the rate of 1 meter per second. Right? 1 meter per second. If a man starts from 50 meter above the ground, यहाँ से start होता है, मान लो 50 meters, 50 meter, right? Starts from 50 meter. Okay. How long it will take to reach him at the second floor of the basement? Second floor of the basement means ये कितना हो गया? This is your 10. What is the total distance, guys? What is the total distance?
Sir,
60.
60.
50 ऊपर 10 नीचे. The answer is 60. Now speed is 1 meter per second. I hope all of you remember, sir, distance is equal to 60 meter. Speed is equal to 1 meter per second. Time कितना होगा? Time is equal to distance by speed. Distance by speed. Clear? Right? है ना? 60 seconds, right? Very good. 60 seconds. By 1. It is 60 seconds.
Sir, give me the 1 minute.
Okay,
One
sir.
Minute, sir.
1 minute or
Okay,
60
sir.
seconds. Okay? Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
1 minute, sir.
Any other doubts?
No,
Sir,
what? 1 minute.
No, sir.
Okay, take your time, take your time, take your time. 135. Okay, Rachna, wait. Rachna, 135.
Sir, 136 question also.
Okay, 136 also. Okay, 135, 136. Taking today as 0, taking today as 0. Now, 135 is actually simple, right? Think about it. Think about it. Take today as 0. And now, today, date of today is 0. 0. And this is 0. If the day before yesterday is 17 January, day before yesterday is 17 January. So this is yesterday, day before yesterday. 17 January. What is the day 3 days after tomorrow? So this is tomorrow and 3 days after tomorrow. 3 days after tomorrow. Right? So this is 17. This is 18. Today is 19. 20 is tomorrow. 21, 22, 23.
23. 23rd January.
3 days after. 3 days after tomorrow. Tomorrow से 3 दिन बाद. So 24.
23rd January.
Sir,
24.
24th.
3 days
Sir,
after.
today's date is 20, no, sir. After 23 days, 23 is, no, sir.
3 days after tomorrow. After tomorrow. Ayana.
Sir, tomorrow's date is 20.
Tomorrow date is 20, right? Okay.
So after 23 days, 23 will come.
Wait, 20 is tomorrow. After 1 day it is 22. After 2 days it is 20. Like this is second day. Second day. After 1 day it is 22. Ayana.
Yes, sir.
After
Sir,
2 days
21st is
23.
first day, 22nd is
Right? After
second day,
3.
23rd is third day.
Ayana. समझ में आया?
Sir, how?
Sir, after 2021 comes, sir, you are telling 22.
See, 20, 21, 20 तो today है ना? आज के एक दिन बाद कितना हो जाएगा? बताओ. Someone
Sir,
tell you.
today is 19, sir, not 20.
Tomorrow बोला है यहाँ पे. 3 days after tomorrow बोला है, right?
Sir, but today is 19, sir.
Today
Sir,
is
then,
tomorrow.
sir,
It is
tomorrow is 20, then after 3 days is 23.
It will be 23.
Yes, sir.
Arey, think about it.
Yes, sir.
Everyone think about it, right?
Sir, 3 days after tomorrow is given, sir.
Wait,
Sir, 3 days after 20 will be 23 days, sir.
everyone, wait. Think about it. What day is today?
19.
Sir, 19th.
Saturday, right? Ayana, right?
Yes, sir.
What would be the day after tomorrow? After 1 day, right? आज के एक दिन बाद कौन सा day आएगा?
Monday.
Monday.
Monday आएगा? Yes or no?
sir.
Yes or no?
The Monday.
Monday
Yes,
आएगा. What you did? Sunday is your one. Sunday के बाद आया Monday. Yes or no? So it is 20.
Yes.
20
Yes, sir.
It will be 22. हाँ या ना?
Yes, sir. Yes.
समझ सबको समझ. After 2 days, it will be what? Tuesday. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
After 2 days,
Yes, sir.
after 3, it will be Wednesday. So after 3 days, it will be 24. अब समझ में आ गया सबको?
Yes, sir.
That day, last day को तुम लोग consider कर ले रहे हो, right? है ना? That's why just take example of actual days. ठीक है? Right? So 125
Yes, sir.
here. See, this is easy, right? This is very easy. This is height, and this is depth. You just have to find the difference. ठीक है? Right? This is plus 8848, and this is minus 10911. Just find the difference now. This minus of minus this. That's it. ठीक है? Okay? Right? We are done. We are done with this. Okay?
Sir, last Kahoot of this week.
Now it is time for Kahoot. It is time for Kahoot now.
Sir, I have doubt in puzzle.
Okay, Sinchana, 133. Just give me a minute. 133. The last question 133. Everyone, last question 133. Pay attention. Pay attention. Now, forget about 133. Forget about 133. Okay? Just think about a problem. Think about a problem. Suppose we have a 10 questions. 10 questions. For every one question, for every one correct question, you will get plus 4 marks. So tell me, what is the total marks? Tell me, step by step, what is the total marks?
40.
Okay, very good.
Sir,
So
40.
40, sir.
40. Okay. Now, suppose for every wrong marks, for every wrong, you get -1 marks. For every wrong question, right, you get -1 marks. Suppose, right, suppose for every wrong, you get -1 marks. Okay. Now, out of 10, you solved 8 correct, 8 correct and 2 wrong. 2 wrong. How much marks you will get? Tell me, how much?
Sir, -2, sir.
8 correct and 2 wrong.
30.
30, sir.
30, sir, 30.
30.
Sir, 28.
Very good.
30, sir.
But 2 wrong, -2 marks. So you will get what? 32 plus -2, which is 30 marks. ये सबको समझ में आया? ये सबको समझ में आया कि नहीं? ये कॉन्सेप्ट समझ में आया? Everyone got the concept?
So I didn't understood, sir. Can you explain once again?
I'll explain once again. So this question is, sir, right? This is a negative marking question.
Sir, I
So
think it
everyone
should be
correct.
28.
Why it is 28? Think about it. Sir, 8 correct हुआ, 8 correct हुआ. कितने marks
Sir.
मिलते हैं? 32 आया ना?
So how it came 32 and -2, sir?
What is the for one correct? How much marks you will get?
So +4.
8 into +4 is equal to how much?
32.
So 32.
Right? For every wrong,
32.
yes, every wrong question, he will get what?
Okay.
Right?
So
For every-
-1.
yes. So total marks deducted will be -2. So what will be the marks? 30 minus 32, which is 30. Clear hai?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
sir. Understood, sir.
Now let us see the question. Let us see the question. Okay. Now true or false have 50 questions. Total question is
The
50.
wrong will be -1, no, sir?
2 question wrong हो गया ना? 2 question wrong हुआ ना?
Yes,
आया ना?
sir. 2 minus 1 will be 1, no, sir.
See,
Sir, if
guys, right?
two
Tell me.
questions are wrong, then it will be -2, sir. -1 and -1 plus is equal to -2.
Okay, sir. Sir, there is minus into minus is plus, sir. Okay. Understood.
Again, it is just that you are removed 2 marks, right? Okay. Now we have 40 questions. For every correct question, +2. +2 for correct. +2 for correct. Right? Think about this. Right? And -2 for any incorrect. -2 for incorrect. And 0 for left question. Like छोड़ दोगे तो 0 मिलेगा. ठीक है? छोड़ दोगे तो 0 मिलेगा. ठीक है? Right? Got it, everyone?
Yes,
Now,
sir.
total marks, how much he can get? Total marks. What is the total marks?
94.
नहीं,
94, sir.
100. Sir, 100. Sir, 100.
Yes, sir,
Sir,
100.
100.
Sir, 94.
Total marks is 100.
100, sir.
the total marks you can get, right? What is the total marks? 100 now. 100. Total marks is 100. Marks he got.
94.
94, sir. Marks he got is 94, sir. Total marks is 100, sir.
Very good.
Incorrect 3 questions.
94.
We have 2 options. Either so for 94 marks, right? How many questions minimum you have to solve? Tell me.
Sir, 48 questions.
Yes, sir.
Sir, 50 questions.
Sir, 48 questions.
47 questions. Sir, 47 questions.
47.
And
Correct.
3 more.
Sir, because the 3 question will be wrong means 3 into -2 is equals to -6.
He can make 48 correct. 48 correct and 2. Tell me 2. 48 correct.
Wrong, sir.
96 and 2 wrong.
Sir, 1 incorrect. Sir,
Two wrong.
2 wrongs and 3 left. Sir.
One wrong, sir.
48. Okay. Yes, one wrong, one left.
Yes,
One-
sir. One wrong, one
1
left.
wrong, 1 left, sir.
48. One wrong, one left. Okay? That is the two options. Diana.
Yes, sir.
So these are two options. Okay? These are two
Yes,
options.
sir.
Correct. So after we can solve 40.
Yes, sir.
3 leave, 3 left, or 48 correct, 1 wrong, 1 left. Okay? Chalo, done?
Yes, sir.
Sir, I have doubt in puzzle, sir.